Where are we? In the Earth. Where is Earth? In the solar system. Where is the solar system? In the Milky Way galaxy. Where is the Milky Way galaxy? In the universe.
What is the universe?
The universe is where all of us live. It contains planets, galaxies, stars, planetary systems, and lots of unknown stuffs in the universe.
How does it look like?
The scientists did not find how it looks like because we didn't have a correct photo of the whole universe, because the universe is really big and it is very hard to capture the whole size of the universe. And people think that the universe is like round in shape. It contains a web of galaxies and stars.
Who found this universe?
Not only one person found this universe. Lot of people with the group formed a group and found how what is the universe, how did it form, where are we in the part of the universe, what are in this universe. People like Einstein and Edwin Hubble found out some theories which related to the formation of the universe. In 1964, cosmic microwave background was found. Using this, only we found out how our universe looks like, and the guess of the universe was really round in shape. Einstein's theory of relativity gave us a better understanding of the universe, and Edwin Hubble found out that the universe was expanding and all the contents of it are falling apart from each other, and they are expanding, and then the space in between them is accelerated.
Birth of the universe.
The universe was born 3.677 billion years ago during a huge explosion called the Big Bang. The Big Bang has got 7 stages, in which the first stage was the inflation, followed by quark era, natural laws, hadrons and leptons, nucleosynthesis era, opaque era, and the last is the universe today, what the universe is like today. So the first was the inflation period, during which the whole universe was expanding from a very small thing, and even everything just got over in the tiniest blip of time, just like in a fraction of second. The inflation period got over. The next fraction, the next eras and the timings got over. Just 1 second it took to form the atoms, and just 200 seconds for everything in the universe to form. So let's see first about the inflation period. At this time, a very hot dense plasma was just boiling at trillions and trillions of Celsius hot. At this time, there were tiny quarks and gluons all just wobbling around this inflating something, and then the universe was inflating, which contains all of everything which it is today. Next was the quark era. At this time, all those quarks and gluons which were just wobbling around in the inflation thing just hit each other to form and give off new quarks or gluons. Next was the natural laws period, during which not only a single law was acting on our universe, but thousands of different kinds of laws acting on our universe. On this which we have are some like gravitation, anti-gravitation, and many other things, including which we haven't found yet. Next was the hadrons and leptons era. These quarks and gluons sometimes hit each other to give off hadrons and leptons, which just keep on wobbling around, and they hit each other again to form quarks and gluons. And this process was keep on going on when some of the hadrons and leptons just formed clumps of something which soon decayed and then formed atom. This was the nucleosynthesis era. At this time, all the hadrons and leptons with different kinds of formation just got decayed and then they formed atoms. Like the first atom was hydrogen, followed by other gases and other solid things. Next was the opaque era, which lasted for about 200 seconds, and the nucleosynthesis era lasted just for only 1 second. The opaque era had no light, and then during this time the whole universe expanded into billions and billions of kilometer wide, and then it was very cold, just like the temperature of going minus, but in earth we have sun, we have our sun, so that we don't feel that much cold. At this opaque era, even no sun was there, and everything was just pitch dark, and the hydrogen gases did not allow any visible light to get out of it. Who knows, there was no light because no one there was there to see it. And then the opaque era keep on going on for just a few minutes, and then soon there was light, as all the hydrogen gases just smashed together with gravity, and then formed all the suns and the solar systems and galaxies which we have it today. And just think about it, that is the universe today, just vast, big, and many unknown things left out to explore in this vast universe. Thank you very much, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe this video, and don't forget to subscribe this channel so that you get notified when I give out some new videos, and I also give many useful ideas to you about our universe, so don't forget to subscribe.